Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, what is the value of square root of 847 by 175? 847 by 175. Firstly, divide numerator and denominator by 7. So, 847 by 7 we will get 121, and 175 by 7 it is 25. And denominator by 7. Okay. Now take a square root separately. So square root of 121 divided by square root of 25. As we know that square root of 121 is 11 and square root of 25 is 5. Hence, square root of 847 by 175 is 11 by 5.